Hello, I'm Lena. I'm 20 years old. My quest for English fluency began with a simple yet powerful goal to master the language that opens doors to a world of opportunities. But I didn't walk this path alone. I joined a local English speaking club where I interacted with fellow learners from diverse backgrounds. Together, we practiced conversational English and celebrated our progress. By the end of the year, I had made significant strides. My English was not just functional, it was expressive and confident. Mastering English wasn't just about learning a language. It was about personal growth. I had forged connections worldwide and broadened my horizons. As I look back on this journey, I see it as more than just acquiring language skills. It was a voyage of self-discovery and the realization that with determination, any goal can be achieved. Armed with fluency in English, I now stand ready to pursue my dreams with unwavering confidence.